Hi everyone, it's me, Jordan Long here, and today, Jordan Long today, and today I want to talk about the coughing that I do in my films, and live streams, and shorts too, and everyone has their thoughts or beliefs over behind it, and it goes down something like this. Wow, maybe there's a lot of dust in your room. My room isn't that bad when it comes to dust. And if it was dust, then I would be coughing all the time, not only when I'm making films, live streams, or shorts tales, you know. Oh, that's one thought. Oh, maybe you're talking too much when you make your films, live streams, and shorts. Tales, I talk a lot when I'm not making films, live streams, and shorts, and I don't go around doing the coughing shit. Um, you could be ill or sick. No, I'm not ill or sick. I already was that between the 2 month into the 3 month of this year, so no, that's not the answer either. You see, a lot of folks are going to have thoughts or beliefs over why I cough sometimes when I make a film or a live stream or a short. And what you watch there are some of the beliefs that either my friends want or my friends or kin have on that. But not one of them is the true answer behind it, you know. And there'll be folks that'll tell you that you should not be sneezing or coughing or burping or farting in your films, live streaming shorts, or podcasts. The only answer they can come up with is it would give trolls or haters something to either shame or guilt or scave you over. Well, you shouldn't be burping or coughing or sneezing or farting in your films, live streams, or shorts. Why is that, Miles? Because it would give haters or trolls something to shame or guilt or scave you over. You know something? Trolls and haters are always going to either shame or guilt or scave someone over something they did or did not do. That's the way they are, you know. So I'm sorry if I sneeze, cough, burp, or fart in my films, live streams, or short. It's a body setup. I'm sorry that it happens. And if someone out there is either shaming me, guilting me, or scaving me over it, oh well, it is what it is. Nowhere in the Euro followership oversight does it say you cannot fart, sneeze, burp, or hiccup, or cough in films, live stream shorts, or podcasts. Because if it did, then everyone would be flagged for that oversight, which is not an oversight. So the truth is, I do not know why I cough when I do a film or a live stream or a short. I don't know. My friends and kin have beliefs over it, but none of them seem to be true. And someone need be say, oh well, you should drink something before you make your film, live stream, or short. Yeah, and then I'm gonna have to think about, oh, then I gotta go and take a piss after I'm done doing that film, live stream, or short. So yeah, I put myself in that bind. And even that doesn't seem to always stop it from happening. So whatever the ground, sake or why for it is, that's what my body likes to do. It has all day to do it because I'm talking sometimes throughout the day, not only when I'm making a film, live stream, or short. When my body picks, oh, you're making a film, a live stream, a short. Oh, I need to start coughing now. This film doesn't have a song, doesn't got a loudness track or a song track. Hey, let me come up with one. I know, coughing. Whatever. Alright, so anyway, like this film, playlist it, share it, beloved, which is the same thing as playlisting, thumb it up, and I'll see you later.